Are you looking for a camping ice chest? In this video, I will show you the 5 best camping ice chests based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Igloo BMX25 QT Cooler. Engineered for sturdiness and performance, the lightweight BMX stands up to tough conditions and goes wherever you want. Durable construction with reinforced base and kick plates for increased strength and protection. Heavy-duty blow-molded construction for added durability. Extra thick foam walls and lid for 4-day ice retention. Rubberized T-latches secure lid closure and lock in the cold. Oversized hinges and stainless steel screws extend product life. The 4th product on the list is the Coleman Extreme Cooler. Coleman Extreme Coolers are designed with premium insulation technology, which keeps the contents cold on ice for days. These coolers are perfect for long road trips, days spent on the campsite, or even sporting events. As an added feature, robust lids are strong enough to be used as a seat. The Coleman Extreme insulation provides premium cooling performance. The 5 cooler sits upright in your car with 4 added beverage holders. The 3rd product on the list is the Coleman Portable Rolling Cooler. Easily transport cold food and beverages with the Coleman 50-quart Extreme Series wheeled cooler. Perfect for sporting events and outdoor activities, this wheeled cooler box comes equipped with 2 recessed, heavy-duty wheels that make transport easy even when the cooler is filled to the brim. Simply extend and lock the telescoping handle, close the hinged lid, and wheel the cooler wherever you need to go. Premium insulation along the lid and walls helps ensure your items are kept cool, delivering ice retention for up to 5 days at temperatures up to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Boasting enough capacity for up to 84 cans, the cooler provides ample space for barbecue ingredients, perishable food, soda cans, and more. When it is time to go, the leak-resistant drain allows you to easily empty excess water without tilting the cooler. And thanks to its integrated cup holders, this rolling cooler helps you keep a beverage always close at hand. The 2nd product on the list is the Igloo Trailmate 70 QT Cooler. Party anywhere you want with the ultimate all-terrain cooler, featuring the kind of built-tough mobility that can traverse in all kinds of conditions. From grassy fields to beach dunes, from dirt roads to wooded trails, you're in good company with the Trailmate Journey. The Trailmate Journey has a 70 QT capacity and can keep 112 12-ounce beverage cans cold with Ultratherm technology built into the body and lid. Before and after use of your Trailmate cooler, empty all contents and rinse with mild soap and/or water as needed. Tougher dirt or stains may be cleaned with a diluted solution of baking soda and water. Ensure all cleaning agents are thoroughly rinsed and the cooler is dry before storage. Opening the drain plug can help the drying process. The 1st product on the list is the Pelican 20-quart Elite Cooler. Summer may be hot, but your Pelican Elite Cooler will stay cold. Durable construction and a continuous layer of 0.78 inches of polyurethane foam insulation mean these coolers are fit for every adventure and will always deliver amazing performance. Your Pelican Elite Cooler is always party-ready with features like molded-in cup holders and a built-in bottle opener. The 20 QT Pelican Elite Coolers were designed to be versatile and easy to use. The overmolded carry handle has a rubber grip, and there's an ergonomic groove along the back to make it more comfortable to carry. The 20 QT Pelican Elite Cooler is true to capacity, which means it can hold 15 cans or 4 wine bottles and still have plenty of room to follow the 2-to-1 ice ratio. This injection molded cooler has been engineered to be up to 30% lighter than rotomolded coolers of a similar size without sacrificing durability or performance. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.